Welcome to Delegate365. This is video 8. Here we show how Delegate365 can help to perform operations for multiple users. In Delegate365, user management is made easy. The global administrator defines the OUs and the scope administrators to control which admin can manage which users. If a new user is created in Delegate365, he must be assigned to one specific OU. So it's clear where each user belongs to. But how does it work with existing users who are not assigned to any OU? These users cannot be seen in Delegate365 by the admins. We first must assign them to any OU. This can be accomplished in the administration menu in the Assign User list. In here you see all users who do not belong to any OU in Delegate365. Filter the list and mark the desired users. Then choose the OU like Seattle here. When clicking Assign OU and confirming this operation, all marked users will be placed into that OU Seattle. Assigned users disappear from the list since they are now no longer unassigned. Continue with all unassigned users with that procedure. Note, you can increase the number of users shown in the list in the upper right drop-down and show up to 250 users on one page. This helps for assigning large numbers of users in one step. The assigned users immediately are visible in the users list of all admins of that OU. Here we see the two new assigned users in OU Seattle showing up. If you want to unassign users, go to the administration menu and open Unassign User module. It works exactly in the same way as before. Search and mark the users and click Unassign User. After confirmation, the user disappears from the unassign list. If you check in the Assign User page, you will find user 4 in here. With that mechanism, it's easy to control which users shall be managed. Additionally, each user's OU can be changed in the user edit form, for example if a user switches department or location. The same functionality works with distribution groups, security groups, and shared mailboxes. In this sample, we assign the distribution group New York office to our existing OU New York. So all admins who are members of this OU can manage this distribution list. We do the same for distribution group Seattle office and assign this to our OU Seattle. When checking in the distribution groups list, we now see these two distribution groups, New York office and Seattle office, because our admin is member of the OUs New York and Seattle. Exactly the same can be done for unassigned security groups. In here we also assign the existing security groups New York to our OU New York and the security group Seattle to our OU Seattle. When switching to the security groups list, we now see these two assigned security groups. If our administrator can manage more than one OU, he can change the OU membership of all objects, like this security group. In here we could change the assignment of security group New York to any other OU we are able to manage. In our case this does not make sense, so we cancel this action. Also, the assignment can be done for shared mailboxes. OU list of shared mailboxes now is empty. We open the administration menu and click Assign Shared Mailboxes. In here there's only one shared mailbox with the name IT department existing. We assign this to our OU New York. If we check now our shared mailboxes list, we now can manage this shared mailbox. In this video you saw how global administrators can mass assign existing users to specific OUs and how the same can be done for distribution groups, security groups, and shared mailboxes. The purpose of the assignments is that scope administrators can see and also manage existing Office 365 groups easily. Delegate365 makes it easy to separate management of users, licenses and groups. In video 9 you will see how license management works for multiple users.